Hi, my name is Giovanna Gigliotti. I am the Community Outreach Manager at Consolidated Credit. It is important for me to be here today because I'm going to meet entrepreneurial community here at the Riviera Beach.
We have our Entrepreneur Incubator Program. And one of our graduates of this program is a very successful small business owner on our Broadway corridor. We have several others that are in pre-development, and we're happy that we'll be able to facilitate 2 of the graduates of this program in our Live Work Lofts program that is under construction as we speak.
Hello, I'm Monique Moe-Corker, and I'm the External Affairs Market Manager with Comerica Bank. Part of Comerica's philanthropic investments are making sure that we see communities involved in economic development, and we do that through collaborative partnerships with our Business Sense programs that take small businesses with gross annual revenues of $1 million or less and help them scope and scale so that they can start to create generational wealth amongst their business communities.
Thank you very much for being here today. My name is Maria Gaitan, and as you know, we have been together in this journey for the last, 5-6 weeks.
Sticking with the organizations, understanding your resources. So when you understand the resources like the Riviera CRA and the CRA that the banks use to give back to the community, and other organizations that are also small businesses, you see why these types of resources are so important. You need to be with a bank that understands you, they understand your needs, and they understand your business, and better yet, the manager knows you.
I am Laura Gilliam. I am the founder of Think It Through. I encourage them to do their business plan, to go through all the different sections that are really, really important for them to address an entirety of their business before they ever launch their business. So really important to think it all the way through.
I'm a certified financial literacy educator with Be Wise Consulting, also doing business as Be Wise with Money. We are a faith-based organization in the Fort Lauderdale area. We educate, equip, and empower individuals with the tools to make good decisions with their money.
Hi, my name is Larisha Pimenta. I am the proud owner and maker of Cute and Crafty LLC. My goal when I started this business was to let vegans know that just because they changed their diet didn't mean they had to take the joy out of enjoying sweet treats.
Hi everybody, my name is Wendy Marcellus. I am the owner of Wendy's Back Porch. We specialize in excellent pre-owned or new clothes, and our mission is to clothe the homeless in our community.
The Business Sense Bootcamp has really helped me in a lot of ways. It first has helped me to be more prepared business-wise. It has helped me to prepare others business-wise, and it has given me that boost that I need and the confidence to have a successful business.